What is up, Just Being 20 family? Back with another video. And actually, guys, I'm heading off to my car family, Vicinity, the Texas chapter. Yes, I had joined a car club. Of course, at the end of the my last video, I show like a small clip of us. That's my car club, Vicinity. And it took me 2 years, and my friend that's part of it too. It took him like a year to try to get a club, the Vicinity chapter out here in Texas. So finally we got one in 2019. We finally got a chapter out here, and we got about 12 of us, and right now we got 6 of us that's rolling. Actually 7, excuse me. We got 7 of us rolling right now to our first meet in Pantego, Texas at Auto Choice. What's up, y'all? This is Just Being Dwani back with another video. And actually, I was trying to do an intro earlier, but I got caught off by somebody on the highway while the rest of the crew. So we posted up here. And we got David way down there. And of course, we're missing Robert. That's Robert's spot. But Robert went to go get the hamburger meat and hot dogs and stuff. But yeah, you guys, we at the Auto Choice. We posted up. We about to get set up here. You know, they got wheels, they got tires, they got all that stuff. So we here, you guys, from 11 to 4. So we had the flyers sent out weeks in advance, pretty much like a week in advance and stuff, to get everybody prepared that this is our first meet. So we're getting all set up and stuff. We got hot dogs and hamburgers. We're gonna have chips. Got music playing and stuff. So I might need to stop right now because I hear the copyrighted music. So I'm gonna check out in a minute. Appreciate it.
All right,
Alright. Bye, Jacob. See ya.
all right, safe.
Yeah, drop.